So what Mendeleev proposed? That properties of chemical elements. So he proposed, Mendeleev proposed that properties of the chemical elements repeat at regular intervals. When we arrange in order of increasing atomic mass, increasing atomic mass. And then Mendeleev is the architect of the modern periodic table. Modern periodic table. So, and he arranged elements. So he arranged basically periodic table. In columns. By the formula of the element oxide. Elements oxide. So we'll see how we arrange elements. In group 1, he said it's, LiOH, NaOH, Li2O. So we'll see how that formula oxide and how they form. So let's go for what's the element oxide formula. So it's, let's say, for Li2O, MgO, like that. That's oxide, element oxide. So we'll go for how we arrange that. So let's go for next slide. And let's say if it is group 1, so it's a hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, so and so forth. They make R2O kind of oxide. For example, K2O, Na2O, Li2O, H2O. So that's R2O, general formula. That's all. That's their oxide. That's group 1. For group 2, same thing. He said, okay, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, so and so forth. And they make formula RO. That means BeO, MgO, CaO. So like that he developed periodic table. He organized periodic table according to their oxide, element oxide. For example, group 3, beryllium, aluminum, so and so forth. And he said they are going to make R2O3. R2O3. So it's like Me2O3, Al2O3, like that. So that's their general formula. So that's how he organized. Group 4, RO2 general formula. Group 5, he made R2O5. And group 6, he made RO3. So like that he developed this periodic table.
So the R just means any element.
Any elements in that particular group. So now, by organizing this, he noticed. So I'm gonna go for here writing. He noticed that there appeared to be some elements missing from the periodic table. So he discovered germanium in 1886. So I'm going to go to next slide. So he was able to accurately predict the properties of the unknown element that's called Eka silicon, EKA silicon, in 1869, and it was discovered in 1886 as germanium. So that's how he predicted, and his prediction was accurate. And he found unknown element. He named it Eka silicon, and then he